Hello everyone and welcome back to Samriddhi's Legal Desk. In our last video, we discussed the basics of motor accident compensation. Today, in part 2, we will go to a step further and talk about dependents' rights, interim relief and the role of insurance company. Compensation claim करने का right सिर्फ injured person के पास ही नहीं होता. In case of death, the legal representatives and dependents like spouse, children or parents can file a claim. Even if the victim was a student, homemaker or unemployed, the law recognizes their contribution to the family. So family members are entitled to a fair compensation. Now, let's talk about interim relief. Under Section 140 of the Motor Vehicles Act, there is something called no fault liability. This means you don't need to prove negligence immediately. The law provides quick financial assistance, that is of rupees 50,000 in case of death and rupees 25,000 in case of permanent disability, even before the final award is given. ये एक तरीके का शॉर्ट टर्म सपोर्ट है जो फैमिली को तुरंत रिलीफ दे. Most people ask who actually pays the compensation. Generally, the insurance company is liable. But if the driver didn't have a valid license या vehicle insured नहीं था, then the responsibility shifts to the owner directly. That's why insurance policies and license details play a crucial role in these cases. Always remember, valid insurance is not just a formality, it's a legal safeguard. When the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal MACT decides compensation, they look at several factors: age and income of the victim, future earning capacity, medical expenses, number of dependents, and the circumstances of the accident. The tribunal's aim is to ensure that the compensation is just, fair, and reasonable. In simple words, neither too less nor excessive, but enough to balance the actual loss. So friends, in this part 2, we covered who can claim interim relief and the liability of insurance companies. In part 3, we will discuss the step-by-step procedure of filing a claim, so you know exactly how to move forward if such a situation ever arises. This is Samriddhi signing off from Samriddhi's Legal Desk. Stay aware, stay protected. Thank you.